Converting AutoCAD drawing into JPEG format. Converting AutoCAD drawing into JPEG format is just the same as normal printing. There have just minor differences such as the name of platter and paper size. There are two options to start platting. Number one is by pressing Ctrl P. And number two is by clicking print button from the application menu. So this is step number one and step number two. Both of these options will lead to the next step. Step number two, if this dialog box comes out, select continue to plat a single sheet. Step number three, the plat dialog box will come out. Step number 4. Select the platter or printer name. For the name of platter or printer, choose and left click Publish to Web JPG. Step number 6. If this dialog box comes out, click Use the default paper size Sun High Resolution 1600 by 1280 pixels. Step number 7. Select the paper size. Select the default Sun High Resolution 1600 by 1280 pixels. And then step number 8. Select window for the plat area. Step number 9. After clicking the window, it will take you to the drawing space to window select your drawing. And step number 10, make a window crossing to the whole drawing or object you want to display. Left click to its first corner and stretch it out to the opposite corner, forming a square or rectangle. Then left click the mouse to finish the selection. Step number 11. The plat dialog box will come out again. Continue the process of setting the plat. Number 12. Check the center the plat box. Number 13. Check the fit to paper box. Step number 14. Set the plat style table into fill patterns or monochrome. Step number 15. Select landscape or portrait, depending on the orientation of your drawing. Step number 16. Click the preview command button. This will display the drawing as it will appear when platted. So this will appear after clicking the preview button. Step number 17. Right-click the select plat. Or step number 18, you may press escape button from the keyboard to pop up the plat dialog box again. This will give you a chance to modify the plat setting. Step number 19. If there are no modifications in the drawing to be saved, you can now press the OK button. Step number 20. Pressing OK button will take you to this dialog box. In this dialog box, select the location where you want to save your JPEG file. Say Documents. Step number 21. Change your desired file name. Number 22. Hit the Save button. And last, step number 23. Check if the file is saved in the location you put it in. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something in this video. Thank you and goodbye.